Hello students, this is the most interesting question of your EOT, and that is your question number 19, and that is your writing part. And guys, I'm going to explain you in a very small part so that you can solve this type of question in just, you can say, within fraction of seconds. I will tell you the shortcuts also, but you need to understand some basics so that if such kind of question will come, you can solve very easily. Okay, this is your part A, page number 11. That is question number 19.a. Apply Newton law of motion and or energy conservation principle to analyze circular motion in vertical or horizontal plane, and the banked curved roads. This is the most interesting one. Okay, before going to start all these things, you need to understand some basics, and then I will explain you this question. Okay, let's start with the basics. What is your first basic? The first basic is number one, how to solve angle resolution. Angle resolution or resolve. Let's say, guys, what you need to understand, this is your, and I think this part you should already know. So this is your vector. Let's say angle theta is here, and this is your, let's say, r. So this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. So guys, what is the value of x? If I make a triangle here, so can I say what is cos theta? Just tell me. Yes. Fast. Tell me. Base divided by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Or you can say x over r. So what is the value of x? Can I say x is equals to your r cosine theta? Similarly, find sine theta, that is your perpendicular over hypotenuse. So what is your perpendicular? Y divided by r, which is equals to y is equals to r sine of theta. You understand? So can I say x is equals to your r cosine theta and y is equals to your r sine of theta. Clear? But this is not the thing you need to learn. There is one more part what you need to understand in terms of angle resolution. Okay, second part. Let's say if the angle is here, how to solve this? This is same r. Can I make this triangle? Yes or no? If you solve this part, y is equals to your r cos theta, and this will become your r sine theta, x. So it is not like that every time is x is your r cos theta or sine theta. The shortcut is, what is the shortcut to understand this part? Shortcut is, you need to check the theta. You just need to check the theta. If theta is here, that line will become cos theta. Yes or no? And the opposite is your sine. Clear? And if the angle is here with the x-axis, so this side will be your cos theta and this side will be your sine theta. Fine, guys? Understand? Okay, now the second part. Part B of your understanding. Let's say there is any body. How to resolve the angles for the body, balance the body. Let's say this is the surface and this is the body. Okay, there are the four forces which are acting on it. Just take the center. First force will Fg, which is equals to mg, which is always goes down. Okay, what is this N? This is called normal force. Normal force. But there is a property of this force. It is always, what is the property? Always 90 degree with surface. 90 degree with surface. Just check. This is your surface and what is the angle? 90 degree. Yes or no? Okay, there are two more forces what you need to understand. One is this side, one is this side. So can I say A, B, C and D forces. So can I say force of A should balance force of C up and down? Similarly, force of B should balance force of D, left and right. Is it fine? Then only I can say body is balanced. Sure? Fine. Okay guys, next point. Now I'm just increasing the level of the question. Let's say take the same surface and take it at some angle theta. Take it at some angle theta. Okay, now let's say this is the curve. Now your body will be like this, yes or no? Okay, I'll change the color. First thing what you need to focus, first thing, as per I told you, let's say this is your surface. What is the 90 degree of this surface? This is your N, yes or no? Just try to check. With the surface it makes an angle of 90 degree, and this is your surface, so there is a total angle of 90 degree. Clear? Okay, the second point what you need to understand, FG absolutely down, which is your FG, which is equals to mg. Clear? Sure. Okay, can I resolve the value of n is like this. Okay, if here is angle theta, so where should be the angle? Can I resolve n? Two parts. Okay, resolve it first. I'll change the color. I'll take red color. Okay, can I resolve this like this? 1, and absolutely it will go like this 2. So angle is here, angle theta. So and can I say n cos theta? I told you here is n, here is angle theta, so it will become n cos theta, and this will become your n sin theta. Yes or no? This is your n sin theta. Fine? Sure. Okay, this is in case of n. I will just go one by one so that you can understand the full question. Okay, now in this question what do you understand? There is the part n cos theta, there is a part f equals to mg, there is a part n sin theta. So there should be one opposite part, yes or no, here to balance this. That is called your fc. Clear? So can I say from this equation n cos theta is balanced by fg, or which is equals to mg, equation 1? Yes or no? Up and down. Okay, left and right, n sin theta is balanced by fc or f net, which is equals to your mv square over r. This is your equation number 2. Do you understand this part? Okay guys, I will just tell you slowly, so that every single part if you understand, then you can solve the last part. D part. Let's say if surface is moving, if a body is moving on the surface, on the banked surface, this is the banked, it means it raised at some angle, banked surface, then what you have word called friction. You have word friction, and the formula for friction is mu times of n. Remember this thing. Okay, we need to understand the friction also. I will add a page for you so that you can understand easily. Okay, now just draw the diagram. Okay, remove this. Okay, let's say this is your body. Okay, now I'm not taking considering the n part. Where should the friction will go? Just try to understand. If the body is trying to go up, let's say if the body is trying to go motion, so where should be the friction? Friction should be your this way. This is called your friction. Yes or no? Okay, just try to solve this. Just try to solve this. Angle is like this, so can I say this is your friction? Yes or no? Okay, I will draw something so that you can understand. Draw the exact surface. Clear? This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. Clear? So here is your angle theta, then here is your angle theta. So here is your angle theta, yes or no? So I told you wherever your is angle, it will give you cos. So can I say small f friction cos of theta, and this one will say friction sine of theta, yes or no? Understand this point? Clear? Easy. Okay, can I say this x gives you friction cos of theta, and this gives you f sine of theta, yes or no? Clear? Okay, now we learned about the normal in the previous case. In this case, we learned about the friction. If I join together, then you need to understand, this f cos theta will be balanced this side, yes or no? And this f sine theta will be balanced y side. Clear? Now time to join them together. Okay, join them together. Let's say this diagram, if you understand, it means you understand the whole question. This is your angle theta. Take the body like this. Okay, first step, take this point and draw the x-axis and y-axis. This is your, or take this point, which will make it easier for you. So this is your point, this will make your things easier. This is your car. Okay, draw the x and y. So absolutely y and absolutely x. So this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Till here clear? Easy. Okay, now guys, draw the normal. Draw the normal. So this is your normal. I teach you this thing. Okay, just go back. This is your normal. So you have angle theta. All the normal part I will use with the blue color. So can I say this part will become n cos theta, and this part will become your n sine theta. Is it fine? And the down we already know, that is your fg, which is equals to mg. Till here clear? This is the part 1. Part 1, solve normal, yes or no? Okay, now guys, part 2, solve the I'll take which color, okay, black. Okay, I'll take red color for you. Okay, now no, brown color. Now you need to understand about the friction. Okay, friction is always along the surface. Can I say this is your friction along the surface, yes or no? This part you need to focus, this part along the surface. Okay, so how many parts will be divided? So this towards x-axis, if say this is your friction, so can I say in this direction we have friction cos of theta. Clear? And the second part is down. I'll try to make it darker so that you can understand. The down, friction sine of theta, yes or no? Sure. Okay, now just try to balance up and down. Just check up and down value so that we can balance them. What is the value at up? We have only one value, n cos theta, yes or no? And down, how many things are? One is mg, one is f sine theta. So can I say down values are f sine theta plus mg, yes or no? So this is your first equation, n cos theta is equals to f sine theta plus mg. This is your first equation. Clear? Okay, now what we need to balance? We need to balance right and left. Okay, second is right and left. If you are able to balance them, means you can solve the question. Okay, what are the right values? Okay, n sine theta plus f cos of theta. Two things. Okay, how to balance this value? This side, I told you f net or fc, which is mv square over r, which balance it. So you have fc, which is equals to mv square over r. So what is your second equation? Can I say n sine theta plus f cos of theta is equals to mv square over r? Yes or no? If you understand, guys, these two equations, equation 1, equation 2, then you can solve anything. And always remember, what is friction? F is equals to mu times of n. Sure, now you understand these equations. Okay, guys, now let's go back to the question. Let's start the question. What is given? As a NASCAR racer moves through a banked curve. Okay, first thing what we have the banked curve. The banking helps the driver achieve higher speed. Okay, this is something very good. V max and V min, there are the two things. Let's see how figure race car on a banked road. Okay, now you understand this figure. Same thing, theta is there. So you need to find the, what you need to do, normal, okay, and then the friction. Only two things you need to apply here and solve it. If the coefficient of static friction between the track surface and the car tire is, okay, mu is given 0.620 and the radius r is given, r is 110 meter. What is the maximum speed? Guys, this is the keyword, maximum speed and the minimum speed. I will tell you a small difference. Whenever there is a maximum speed, what is the shortcut formula? And whenever there is a minimum speed, what is the shortcut formula? With which a driver can take a curve banked at theta is given, theta. That is fairly typical banking angle for NASCAR tracks. Indianapolis has only 9-degree banking, but there are some tracks with a banking angle of 30. Okay. There is no need to use it. Okay, theta is given. Theta is equals to 21.1 degree. Till here clear, guys? No problem? Okay. Guys, now what we need to do? We need to form the equation and we need to solve it. As we know, if we solve this diagram, okay, if we solve this diagram, I already told you, take this and this is your normal, and the normal has two parts. This one, n cos theta, and this one is your n sine theta. Yes or no? Okay, take the second color, friction. This is your friction. So this will become your angle theta. So it will become your f cos theta, and the down factor is your f sine theta, and the other factor is mg. Clear, guys? Now you can solve them. So what is the first equation we have? First equation is mg plus f sine theta is equals to n cos theta. Clear? Okay. I will solve one by one, not like this. Parallel equations we will solve. Okay, make it a little bit big, and now guys solve it so that you can solve it in a very good way. First equation, what we have, mg plus f sine theta is equals to n cos theta. This is the first equation. Okay, what is the second equation? N sine theta plus f cos theta is equals to, I told you, here is the fc, which is equals to mv square over r, centripetal force, mv square over r. Clear? Okay, friction, we already know what is mu n. Okay, solve it. So mg plus mu times of n sine of theta is equals to n cos theta. Okay, take n one side. Take n one side so that we can solve them. Okay, you understand this thing? Okay, so mg mg is equals to n cos theta minus mu n sine of theta. Take n common. Cos theta minus mu n, mu sine theta. Is it fine? That is your mg. Okay, similarly, what we need to do, we have to take care of n. So n sine theta. Okay, what is friction? I told you what is friction. Friction is your mu times of n. So can I say mu times of n cos of theta, which is equals to mv square over r. Okay, take out the n common. N sine theta plus mu cos theta is equals to mv square over r. Till here clear, guys? Sure. You have two equations. Can I say equation 1, equation 2? Now just divide them and finish it. Divide equation 2 by 1. So can I place like this? mv square over r divide by mg, which is equals to n times bracket sine theta plus mu cos of theta divide by n times of cos of theta minus mu sine of theta. Yes or no? Clear? So can I say n and n cancel? Okay, m and m cancel. So what is the value? V square over rg, which is equals to sine theta plus mu cos of theta over cos theta minus mu sine theta. Okay, what we are looking for? We are looking for velocity. Okay, just solve it. So what we have now, V equals, take rg this side, rg bracket sine theta plus mu cos theta divide by cos theta minus mu sine theta. Okay, make a full bracket and make it root, because we have the v square, now it becomes the v. Yes or no? Understand? So now place the values. Finish. So we are looking for the maximum speed now. Okay, I just want to tell you something. In case of maximum and minimum, if they ask you maximum velocity and if they ask you minimum velocity, because in the question they can ask you both the things. So maximum velocity v is equals to root of, okay, what is the shortcut? This is your shortcut, plus and minus. In case of maximum, same formula, rg sine theta plus mu cos theta divide by cos theta minus mu sine of theta. Yes or no? Okay, in case of this, rg v min rg sine theta minus mu cos of theta divide by cos of theta mu sine of theta. Here should be the plus. This is the difference. Clear? So just place the value. You have everything. So velocity is equals to, place the value. What is the value of r? Okay, just write down all the values. So just wait. I'll just put it like this. Okay, you have minimum and maximum. R is your 110 multiply 9.81 bracket, big bracket, sine. Okay guys, what is the angle we have? 21.1. okay, plus mu 0.62 cos 21.1 divide by, what is the value? Cos 21.1 minus mu 0.62 sine 21.1. Solve it. Velocity is equals to V max is equals to 37.8 meter per second. I thought, guys, things are clear, and now you are able to solve this. You are able to solve this. Yes or no? Sure. So, guys, I know these are not the easy questions, or you can just solve in 10 seconds or like this. But what you need to remember, I'll tell you, let's say if you have only r and theta, you just need three things. Now the shortcut time, I will just tell you shortcut. Okay, what is the shortcut? To find velocity, okay, what you need to remember? To find velocity max or V min, you need only three things. Whenever the question will come, just check three things. First, check radius. You need radius. Second thing, you need angle. Third thing, you need mu. If you have these three things, you can find it easily. Okay, and you just need to remember max positive negative, min negative positive. Same, sine cos cosine. I'll tell you. Just write V. How to write it? RG. Okay, sine cos divided by cos sine. This much you understand? Yes or no? In case of max, positive negative, positive negative. This factor is with mu, this factor is with mu. Finish. Easy. Just apply this. If you are looking for minimum, just change the sign. If you are looking for minimum, just change the sign, nothing else. This is the simple thing, V max. Clear, guys? Radius, what you need to find out in the question? Radius, theta and mu. Solve it. Clear? Okay, guys, now I will meet you in the next video. Till then, practice this question at least 3 to 4 times, because this question has done by me, guys. That's why it seems easy, but when you start yourself, it takes time. Okay, so give your time, and still if you have any doubt, you can just comment it and I'll try to give you the answer as soon as possible. Clear, guys? Till then, take care, bye, and keep on practicing.